Hey, this is Jessica from goodenoughandstuff.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making super easy butternut squash soup. To make this delicious soup, you need butternut squash, which is about 3 pounds, cooking spray or oil that you can grease the pan with, 2 cups of water, 12 ounces of cream cheese, which is 1.5 packages, 1 tablespoon of better than bouillon vegetable base, 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a dash of salt. You'll also need a pan to cook the squash in, a large bowl to put everything together, and some kind of blender. I used an immersion blender. To pick a good squash, you want to get one that has a smooth beige skin, and avoid any that have deep cuts, bruising, or soft patches. It's okay if it has like surface nicks or scratches, that's totally normal. You also want to kind of pick it up and see if it feels kind of heavy for its size. And also get one that has a stem, which means that it'll last longer on the counter, like up to 2 weeks, if you don't use it right away. Cut the squash in half and dig out all the seeds and all the stringy bits around the seeds. Place the squash on a greased pan and bake in the oven for about 40 minutes at 400 degrees or until a fork slides in with no resistance. It kind of looks like I'm really having to push it in there, but that's only because the skin is resisting a little bit, but once I push through that, it goes right into the actual squash really easily and just slides in. Scoop all the guts out and put it in a bowl, but be careful because it's really hot. Now add the water and the cream cheese. And here is where you add the really magic ingredient. This vegetable base is so delicious, and it's the reason why you don't have to do things like chop up onions and garlic and other vegetables and roast them and have all these other steps that take forever. This vegetable base does all of that, it adds all that flavor, and it's so easy. You just have to plop it in. It's delicious. Add your pepper and your salt. We went to a really cute birthday party for our neighbor, and we all got pirate tattoos. Now blend everything together. I like to use an immersion blender because it's easier to just have it in a bowl and just do it. But you can do it in a regular blender because the squash is so soft it just blends right up. And that's it. It's super simple, really quick. You could have it on the table for dinner in no time. And it's like hardly any effort. We like to eat this soup with hot grilled sandwiches, so I made grilled ham and cheese sandwiches this time. And I totally recommend using mayonnaise on the outside of the sandwiches instead of butter like you typically would. It's really good. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you like to use butternut squash for. I've heard that you can use it for pumpkin pie, like just switch out the pumpkin. Has anyone ever done that? I kind of want to try it. Check out my blog, goodenoughandstuff.com, for the printable recipe, and I will see you next time. Bye!